Hello guys, this is the first part of tutorial about Microsoft Word features. Today we will go through basics like font, clipboard or paragraph. As you can see, we have font change with shortcut Ctrl+Shift+P. For shortcuts, I created this script that you can see what I pressed on my keyboard. Ctrl+Shift+P opens the dialog where I can change the font of my text. I can set, for example, different font style, different size. I also can change it to superscript, small caps and other features which we will go through later. I will apply just this few, and as you can see my text change, italic is selected and also my font and size was changed. If you want to just quickly change size of the font, it doesn't have to go through font layout and change it like this, but if you want to change just for the one size up or down, you can try shortcut Ctrl+Shift and greater, which will make size of your font greater at one size. As you can see, I go through from 60 to 18 to 20. And when I go from font shrink, you can check it here, I will go to 14, 12, which are basically size in this list. For font shrink, it was Ctrl+Shift and lower. As you can see here, it's above dot and above comma. We also can change case of our text. For example, our default case is sentence case, which make the first letter in the sentence the upper. We have also lowercase, we change every character of our string to lower, or uppercase, which will change every character of our string to upper. And also capitalize each word, the camel case and toggle case, which is the reverse of the camel case. As you can see, every case shows you how the text will look like after applying, so you can easily pick. Now, clear formatting, what I call this way. When you, for example, set a lot of changes on your font and you want to get back to default, you can erase all changes at once by clicking or clear all formatting, which set all changes to your default settings. You can see the styles change back to Calibri, the size to 11, and everything is unselected. You can also change just your font. For example, I want to change it to Times New Roman and select it through here. As you can see, the shortcuts are always shows you in these small tips when you hover above your part in font layout. Then we have changes like bold, which is Ctrl+B. As you can see, bold is now selected. I can set it B. Here is E and U, and for how it looks like, italics is Ctrl+E and underline is Ctrl+U. And for underline, you can also change style of underline. For example, if you want dotted one, you can check this one, or you can change the color of underline. For example, to yellow one, and as you can see, I have yellow dotted underline now. You can also strike through text, which is this button, and this is not editable, it's just one solid strike. Then we have Ctrl equal, which will change our string to subscript, or Ctrl+Shift also equal, which is plus, which will change our, it's Ctrl+Shift+, which will change our text to superscript. You also can set it through here, superscript and subscript. Now we also have font effect, which can change our text and give it effect. For example, this one, the art, and there is just few selected. You can also set the shadow or reflection. As you can see, shadow would look like this. You can also set background behind text with this button, and you can change the background to whatever color you want. For example, teal, and select the text also. You can also change the text color with this button. As you can see, you have multiple colors. You can choose one of them. Now we go through clipboard features, which are probably very well known to you and you use them on a regular basis. For copy text is Ctrl C, and for cut text Ctrl X, and for paste text is Ctrl V. They are also shown here, and you can do it both ways. You can either press Ctrl C or press copy. For cut you can press Ctrl X, which basically cut the text, and Ctrl V for putting back, and back to Ctrl C and Ctrl V for paste. You'll pass the text at the position we want. As you can see, when I select my text, these options are available to me. I can click on one of them and then do it again. And there are multiple paste options also, to picture something else. We can also copy and paste just the font style. For that we have Ctrl Shift C, and for format apply is Ctrl Shift V. So I want to apply this format on this text, also change the color that it's more obvious. What I do is Ctrl Shift C, I just copy this format, and when I select this text and press Ctrl Shift V, I apply the format to the new text, as you can see. So we basically go through features in this layout and through features in this layout, and in today's lecture we also go through these few features. For paragraph, what you should know is selecting the paragraph style, or where it paragraph position, and its margin to left or right. This is margin to align to left. As you can see, all the start of sentences of the rows are aligned to left, but the right is not aligned yet. So if you want to align it also to the right, select this one. As you can see, justify or Ctrl J will align our text to both sides. If we want to align just to the right, select this part. You can see our text is now aligned to the right. It's very good if you want to write from left to right or otherwise. And also there is align to center. This is mostly used for titles. For example, this one I can align to center, and it now should look prettier, I guess. But for text is usually aligned to right and left. Justify. We also can set the line size. As you can see, as I go through this, the preview is shown here, but until I click, this line size will not be applied. So as you can see, as I hover away, the line size is okay. But I can set, for example, this one. These are really wide lines, so I want to shorter, or I want to customize them. I will set in options and set in centimeters or different you need, what lines I want. Also, you can add the space before or after paragraph. Now I removed it, but as you can see, I added the space after. It looks like this, and when I remove it, it's a little bit shorter. And from before. Yes. Also, you can change your background, and the difference here between change background behind the text is that it selects the whole row, not just the text. I can show you the difference when I select the same text and I said here. As you can see, the text has its own background, but the paragraph has its own background from here. That's a big difference. Also, you can set the line for paragraph, bottom border, top, left, right. Example, the bottom border here. There are also options for tables, but for tables we will go later in the insert part. Anyway guys, this was everything from this lecture. Thank you for watching, and we will see in the next part. Bye!